Hi everyone, welcome back to another Fix It on the Fly. My name is Eltan, and today I'll be fixing my uninterrupted power supply, or UPS. This is a Koss brand UPS. I think it's a 700-800 watt unit. A UPS is basically a device that provides backup power during a thunderstorm or any power failure, you see, for any devices connected to this thing. Okay, so what happened was that when I turned it on this morning, I noticed there's a continuous beep. So let me turn it on. Alright, as you can hear, this beep goes on non-stop and it's damn irritating. Alright, and also I couldn't power the damn thing up. Alright, doesn't do anything. So let's turn this off and diagnose the problem. Okay, usually UPS tend to have an internal battery. It's usually a lead acid battery, and this lead acid battery tend to degrade over time because it's continuously charged, and this continuous charging tend to knock out the battery's lifetime, you see. So let's open this up. Okay, so now I got this open. I got all the screws out. So let's open this thing. Usually these things are sort of like screwed and clipped on together, as I have mentioned before in some of my videos. Some of these plastic cases tend to be screwed on, and some of them will have these annoying clips on. Okay, in order to remove these annoying clips, you have to actually have like a flathead screwdriver. Try to pry it out. Okay, here you go. We got this open. Flip this over and reveal the electronics. Right, there you go. Alright, okay, let's see. Now what we have here is the electronic control board. This is a transformer, and here is the internal battery. This is actually a typical 12 volt lead acid battery, and let's see what's wrong with this battery. Okay, so could take out our multimeter. Here you go, multimeter. Turn it into voltage. Make sure it's in DC. Then you'll see what is wrong with this battery. Alright, as you can see, the battery is showing 8.9 volts. This is not good because a typical 12 volt lead acid battery should give you about 12 volts, 12.5 volts or so. Okay, that's a normal voltage battery, but in this case it's a completely dead battery. So all you need to do is to replace this. Another thing we would like to check is the charging unit on the circuit board. This we will do after I replace with this lead acid battery. Here it's a new one over there. Okay, so let's remove the terminals for the battery, unscrew the clamp. Okay, sometimes there are cases that these batteries are double-sided taped to the body. In this case it doesn't have, okay, which is easy. Let's throw this out and take in our new battery. Okay, let me show you a typical voltage of a new battery. Okay, let's see. As you can see, it's about 12.2 volts. It's a little weak because I haven't been charging it recently, but I've been using it as a solar battery for a long time. So anyway, before we put everything back, let's see if this thing actually helps. Alright, make sure that when you place the terminals back, make sure red is positive to red, black negative to black. Okay, next, I wouldn't recommend doing this, but let's just hook this up and see if the UPS works with the new battery. Power on. As you can see, there's like a little click showing that it worked. And to make sure that this control board is actually charging the battery, I'm gonna probe the two terminals here, and you should see 12 volts on it. Yep, 12.66 volts. So I guess the control board is working and it's charging it at 12.68. Earlier the battery was measuring 12.2 volts. Okay, so you can safely assume that there's nothing wrong with the control board and the fault was due to the aging battery, in other words. Okay, and then to see if it works, we just turn it on. It should give a beep. There you go. It goes into UPS mode. Okay, uninterrupted power supply mode. Okay, anyway, now to put everything back, and before we can touch any of this thing, we have to turn off the mains. Unplug this, and now we can work on our what you call assembly. Okay. Yep. Okay, so forgot. There's the clamp. Okay, put this back here. Screw down the clamps. Sorry about that. I've been dropping screws a few times today. Butterfingers. Okay. I'll put the casing back. Make sure the wires aren't in the way. Screw the base back. Okay, there you go. All done. I've already replaced back the screws. Now, moment of truth. Well, of course, we already seen that it works. So yeah, I guess that's fine. Yep, no continuous beep. Can turn this on. Right, looks like it's working. And as a bonus, I'm gonna test it on the spot. Right, there you go, it works. Okay, and if I turn off the mains, you can see it's still providing power. So there you go, one repair done. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and even leave a comment. And I hope to see you next time. L10 out.